Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
All right, good afternoon. It is soggy out there in spots already, and we are in for a wet Wednesday here ahead as the rest of the day the showers and storms will likely be increasing and become more widespread. Already some heavy rain over Tamarack as well as showers over Bank Arena. We're seeing some heavy downpours over Aventura, Pembroke Park, Hard Rock Stadium, as well as over Hialeah, Miami Springs. Doral has been coming down hard. Miami International Airport, as well as near Westchester, just had the wet weather and showers over extreme southern Dade County. And as you'll notice from our next weather rain tracker, you will want to keep your umbrella close because we'll continue to see even more rain as we head into 2-3 p.m. And this will be impacting the car lines as parents are picking up the kids from school, the bus stop to make sure the kiddos have their ponchos and rain gear. And then even for the evening commute, stay tuned to our chief meteorologist, Ivan Cabrera, because it is looking messy and still wet in spots. Heat advisory has been now expanded for all of South Florida. Earlier this morning, it was only for the Keys, but now that heat advisory also includes Broward and Dade County until 6 p.m., the Keys until 7 p.m. Look at how it already feels like 106 in Key West, feels like 94 in Fort Lauderdale, feels like 93 in Miami, but we are seeing a lot of cloud coverage, and because of the rain, temperatures are not as hot as they would be otherwise. But we're going to continue to be unsettled. Stormy pattern continuing here today, tomorrow, Friday, with these afternoon storms firing up each and every day and localized flooding, possibly even through Saturday unsettled until Sunday when drier does begin to lower the rain chance. There's a lot to cover here in the tropics. First and foremost, Hurricane Francine already approaching the Louisiana coastline. Look at all that heavy rain stretching from Louisiana through Mississippi. And Hurricane Francine is a Cat 1 now, but expected to strengthen possibly before it makes landfall. And then it'll lift northward across Mississippi and eventually become a tropical storm by tomorrow and a tropical depression by tomorrow evening, and continuing to lift north but soaking the deep south. And then we have a few other waves that we're watching here in the central Atlantic. This disturbance has a 30% chance of development. Ahead of it, a 10% chance of this system developing. But yeah, we now have tropical depression number 7 out in the eastern Atlantic. But wait, there's more. There's this disturbance off the southeast coast of the U.S. that has a 20% chance of development. So here's tropical depression number 7. It is moving west-northwest at 18 miles per hour. It is forecast to become tropical storm, and the next name on the list is Gordon. And you'll notice that it is generally continuing to move out into the open waters of the central Atlantic. By the time we get into next week, we'll have to wait and see. There's a lot of uncertainty as to exactly where this will go, but many of the models showing it lifting north and then potentially moving to the northeast as we head into next week. Too soon to say, but we'll keep you updated. In the meantime, we do have our Fins on CBS Miami game tomorrow at 8:15. You can watch it right here. And if you're headed to Hard Rock Stadium, it is going to be stormy at first in the afternoon, and then we'll see the rain chance diminish. But you'll notice our highs remain right in the low 90s. Rain chances go down a bit by Sunday into next week.